Hey friends, it's Teresa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take in the Mickey's Philharmagic show at Walt Disney World and create a layout about it. I'm using the Sorcerer's Apprentice collection from Kellybell Designs, and I'm bringing in some other collections as well. Mickey's Philharmagic is a really fascinating show because it brings in different movies from Disney history. Of course, it changes over the years. This was in 2012. So this is the photo of the front of the show, of course, at the entrance. And then the kids and Alan, after they got their glasses, their 3D glasses. This is the title from the Title It Volume 4, Magic Kingdom Rides. I'll have links to all of these products down below for you. So this is the title. You'll notice that I cut out a plain white backing piece using the offset from that title. And then this is the background piece that I've created. And so the idea is I was jumping off from that title piece with the blue and yellow. And what I did was using this kind of starburst background paper. I always love these. I added the baton with the stars, and it's supposed to look like the stars are coming out at you from that baton. And then, of course, I've added the ribbons, kind of not quite in the center, almost in the center. And all of the elements are going to rotate or extend either above or below those ribbons. So it's kind of the jumping off place. You'll also notice on the background, I've already printed my journaling. That little journal spot is kind of lifted off of one of the journal cards in the Sorcerer's Apprentice collection. And then the other side of the photo, the main photo where the date is, that is also the same portion of the journal card, just allowing me to place the date there and extend this title a little bit down the main photo. And so once I have the ribbons and the photos in place, the journal card is to the left of the main photo, and the title is to the right of the top photo. We sort of have this balancing act going here, right? What I'm doing to the top, I'm also doing to the bottom, just in reverse. So keeping a balance on this layout page. So the title, of course, I'm going to pop that up with pop dots. Speeding through that, hopefully, so it's not painfully boring for you. But the white background really adds stability to some of these letters on the end of the title. And so I feel like adding that white background is good for the title itself, so it's stable, it's secure. But it also helps it pop off of the blue background. Isn't that cool? I love that. I love how those turn out. I love using pop dots and foam tape. And I love dimension. So what I get to do from here is add the embellishments here. You can see that they've been printed and cut already, taking different elements from different collections. So the first thing I wanted to do was pop up this flare that's on the journal card already. Again, bringing in dimension here to that journal card. The Lumiere is taken from the Enchanted Princess collection. There's also a Lumiere in the Reservations with the Beast collection, of course, and there's probably one in Reservation Akershus too. I've done quite a bit with Beauty and the Beast. It tends to be my favorite, but he features pretty prominently in the 2012 version of Philharmagic. So I felt like this was a great addition to the layout. He goes along with the Say Cheese word art, which is perfect for the photo and everybody with their glasses. I'm going to give you a little detail, behind the scenes detail. I took like 4 or 5 photos here, and the kids were all so excited. They were so excited about their cute little 3D glasses and going into this show. Just having the best day, right? And none of them would stand still. And so there was not one photo where everybody was in focus. So that is actually a composite, where I took faces from different images and pulled it all together so that everybody is in focus except Alan. I didn't have any pictures of him in focus. And that's okay. That's okay. That's what happens when you're the parent trying to corral 4 kids. So Ariel, she came from the Undersea Princess collection, plus her little dinglehopper there, the little fork. I worked with that collection just a couple of days ago. So I hope you'll check that out as well, doing layouts from her show. I love the shows at Disney. I just think they're awesome. Tinkerbell, she comes from the Nice to Meet You Tinkerbell collection. She's also in the Philharmagic show, so she makes an appearance here with her butterfly, also from the Nice to Meet You Tinkerbell collection. And so they're going to hang out together up here at the top of the photo and give them a little star, a little red star. Now, I mentioned that the color palette has kind of been determined by the title, the Mickey's Philharmagic title, but I have used little bits of red around the page. One of the reasons being that there's red in the main photo, but also there's a good deal of red in this collection, in the red star, in the banner there. Actually, the banner might be from one of the Beauty and the Beast collections. But it's fitting because there are banners on the front of the building. So that's why I wanted to include that banner. This is a little representation of Simba. Simba, of course, comes from the Lion King Festival collection. And let's see, I think that accounts for all of the additional collections that I used. So I will have all of those linked down below. One of the things I really wanted to bring out and point out to you is the amazing flexibility in all of these collections to bring in different pieces to tell different parts of the story, to bring in the vibe of this particular show that features so many different movies and so many different participants, a lot of parts and pieces, but here they are all on the same page, on the same layout, and it all flows together really beautifully. And it's also, I'm sure if you've never seen the Philharmagic show, this layout might be a little bit confusing, and that's okay. That's okay too. But here it is, all complete and finished. Thank you so much for following along with me today. It's been so much fun creating this and sharing it with you. Again, check out the links down below. And as always, I will see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.